Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Tonight, I wanted to talk to you about a stock that I believe could go tenfold or more in the next few years. The stock is sitting in a sector that has done absolutely wonderful the past few years and has potential to do so much better in the years to come. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's get started. The stock we're going to be talking about tonight is Nikola Corporation, ticker symbol NKLA. Now, Nikola is the manufacturer of electric semi-trucks, 18-wheelers, and I believe soon they might even be moving in the hydrogen direction. This is to help cut costs on transporting goods around our country, as well as cut emissions that these trucks often create. And honestly, I think it's a fantastic thing. However, since going public a few years ago, Nikola has faced nothing but strife when it was found out that their founder had lied to all their investors to raise the capital necessary to bring Nikola public. However, this week it was announced that Mary Chan, a former chair member of the SPAC that acquired Nikola to take them public, will be promoted to COO on October 9th. The public went absolutely nuts with this, and the stock rose 50% at one point during the day. I believe it was Wednesday, and 40% at day's end. Absolutely crazy. With her being promoted to COO, all former SPAC chair members are now going to be in charge of Nikola, and the public is looking very, very positively towards this. Now, for those who don't know what a SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company. Their sole purpose is to raise capital to acquire or purchase a company in order to take them public, which is how Nikola went public. Typically, the process can take a year or more in order for a company to be listed on a major exchange, but through the use of a SPAC, it can only take a couple months. Now, why do I think Nikola's price could tenfold? Well, it's because all those promises that their founder had made, that had lied about, they are trying to live up to those promises, and they're moving in the direction to do so. They still face a lot of headwinds, such as recalls on their trucks due to battery failures, due to coolant leaks and fires, a warehouse fire at one point. However, they are progressively making orders happen, progressively upping their revenue, as well as decreasing their operating expenses. Currently, Nikola's price sentiment, or their social sentiment in the market, is a hold, and it's been a hold for a while. However, their price target has slightly increased, and it's looking at roughly about $3 right now. Previously, it was a little bit lower, sitting at closer to $2. Already, that's about a 120% increase on their current stock price as of today. And with green energy becoming more and more popular, with rules and regulations coming out to move in that direction to cut down on carbon emissions across the country and across states, the potential in that sector and for Nikola's future is absolutely crazy. And that's why I think they can tenfold. Now, if you did buy them at any point in the past couple years, you're probably down on them, which sucks. However, when you invest in the market, a smart investor knows that past performance never indicates or predicts or future performance, right? So we've seen stocks go from nothing to massive, massive highs, or stocks that were already relatively high go even higher. If you look at any of the major FANG companies, and you look at their 5-year trend, they have increased, and their prices were already really high. We've also seen stocks come and go super fast, such as Carvana. Started pretty low, rose to hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and is now bankrupt. And likewise, we've seen stocks fail, right? However, I do believe that Nikola is one of the stocks that started high, increased on hype, came down to what is more realistic based on the fact that they don't have any positive cash flow. And sort of like Tesla, for the first few years, Tesla didn't have any positive cash flow. They had no real revenue after expenses, operating expenses. I believe Nikola is in pretty much the same boat. However, over the course of the next few years, they do predict that they will become cash flow positive by 2025. And with that, I think they would be in a fantastic position to keep that momentum and keep going forwards. From there, the company, I do hope it works, or the company is successful. I believe that the green energy route is something that we should all strive to move in. And as far as an investor, I believe that this will greatly increase their stock price. Now, according to MarketBeat, they are predicting Nikola to increase or double its price, or a little more than double its price over the next year or so. Me personally, I think that's pretty realistic. In the next 3 to 5 years, I think Nikola can easily reach a price point of $10. And any time past that, who knows? If they are as successful and if they're able to deliver on all the promises that they quoted in the past and they are currently quoting us today, sky's possibly the limit. Maybe they'll become the next Tesla. Instead of more of a residential or consumer-based audience, they'll be catering more to commercial. But I think they could be a Tesla in that sector. Anyways, if you have liked this video, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or leaving a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how I can improve. Anytime I see a like, comment, or subscribe, it motivates me to keep making videos for you guys. I mean, other than the fact that I just enjoy it. But let me know what you think down below. Let me know what you think Nikola's price target could be in the future. With that said, until next time.